N Sprache. No, like, like Sprache. Yeah. Oh, where are you from? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, okay. I know what Indonesia is. No, I'm not. Like I live in Germany, but my nationality is not German. Oh, wait, what is college? What is the wait? What is the difference? Wait. What is the difference between? Yeah. Wait, no. Like, what is the difference between? Okay, you already explained it. Oh, I think I know what college is. Uh, no. Do we have high school? No, I don't think so. No, like, okay, you go to kindergarten. After kindergarten, you go in those kids school. I don't know how it is. Yeah, uh, and then you can go to. My brain is smoking again. Uh, there. Uh, uh, like, like, uh, I don't know how to say this in English. But I'm not that smart. I'm not very intelligent because I think I'm failing math class. I'm a translator. Okay, wait. Where's my iPad? Okay, 1 second. Yeah. I am in high school. Oh, I didn't do that because in Germany it's different. So I was confused. Ninth grade is in high school? What? Oh, I feel so